Hi, I'm Massive from Unlimited CCTV and Security. Today we are going to be looking at the AJAX intruder gaskets come in black or white. We have a black hub kit one here which we're going to take a look at what's inside. Inside the box we have the bell box, which is just called the street siren, the control panel, which is called the hub, two PIRs which are called motion protects, an internal sounder, a door contact which they call the door protect, and two control fobs which are called space controllers. Also, the power lid. Boxes so we can have a closer look. Now that we've got this out of the box, I'd like to say that in the alarm industry, the word sexy isn't used, but in this instance, it's well deserved. The entire kit comes easy fit. Batteries are pre-installed. They've all got easy fit brackets, and it's just ready to go out of the box. We've got the street siren, which has a maintenance-free option where you can put a 12-volt supply to it, so you can, once it's up there, you don't have to go back unless it's properly not working. We've got the hub, which needs a power lead and an Ethernet connection and a GSM if you want to, or in the hub kit, in the hub plus, you've got the option of two GSM SIM cards, Ethernet, Wi-Fi. So that's all it needs. Then we've got the peripherals. You've got the PIRs. Literally sync them up to the panel and stick them on the wall, and they're good to go. The internal siren, which works as it does. It comes out of the box, program it up, and it just screw it to the wall, and it's done. Then we've got the door contact. The door contact's quite neat because it comes with two different types of magnets. Depending on what type of door you've got and what type of profile you have, the magnet will fit. Then you've got the space controllers, which are on and off. See, the kit doesn't have a keypad, if you can see, because you've got space controls, or you use your app. Turn it on, turn it off, and you've got a built-in panic button with that. That is it of the kit. I'm Massive from Unlimited CCTV Security. Please like and share our videos. Until next time, see you soon.